Well, today we're headed to the Ark Encounter in Williamstown, Kentucky. Well, we're on the shuttle bus headed to the Ark Encounter. What do you think? You can. Out the front bus, I can see it. Like they got a zip line here too if you want to ride it. There's one massive boat. Getting closer. The closer we get, the bigger it looks. Another zip line over there. Yes, this is where they keep animal food and keep all the small animals anyway.
entire eastern half of the Roman Empire.
Well, we're back outside the Ark now. We're going to check out the little zoo. We're on the back side of the Ark. A little shot of it. Looks like we got some, I guess, them are alpacas. There's an anteater. They're always cool animals. Guess you could pan for gold.
Here he is, folks. This is Snuggles, the yellow anaconda, a species of snake that can be found slithering around in the rainforest regions of South America. Now.
And here she is. This is Delilah. She is our Taiwan beauty.
Ark Encounter, it was awesome.
Well, I thought I'd stop and get one more good little video clip of the Ark on my way out. The grounds are very beautiful this time of year. The Ark was amazing. Well, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little old video walking highlight tour of the Ark Encounter here in Williamstown, Kentucky. Hey, if you did, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you're up in this area, don't miss this. Come check it out. Till next time, catch you later.